That's the data governance body that I mentioned. This is the one I actually use. I'm sitting in the green one, the Directors Data Governance Steering Committee. I'm leading the community of practice and overseeing, in my case, 5 working groups. So that's a sample. It can be more than this, it can be less than this, you can have only one body. Sometimes some organizations have only a community of practice or a center of expertise that takes care of all of this. But at Health, we deal with this very, very seriously, and we work together with the Chief Data Officer, because the Chief Data Officer takes care of the department as a whole and all the branches that we have. There are 9 branches in Health Canada. So each branch should have this structure to report back to the CDO, to the Chief Data Officer. So this structure works top-down, but also bottom-up. Because people in the working group, they are the analysts, they are people in the operations day-to-day, they are the ones in contact with data, so they are the best people to tell you what the risks are for dealing with this data or the other data. How much time they spend cleaning the data, for example. So you can invest more in collection than on the time that you use to clean the data itself and to process the data, because it's a long process. We data scientists normally spend 90% of our time cleaning data, doing feature engineering, doing all the data transformation that needs to have, but nowadays people only talk, oh, machine learning, oh, algorithm, oh, ChatGPT. What else come before all of these guys? Come on. Why is the algorithm so biased? The data is not properly clear. Excuse me. The data is not properly clean. So if you don't standardize your data set, if you don't square your data set, if you don't remove all the bias from the data set, the algorithm that you are building is going to be biased the same way.